No, no, no. Virtual reality? Whatever happened to real reality? Ugh, I'm getting too old for this. Screw it. I'm just gonna call him.
Oh, bugger. Morgan here, if you wish it, I dish it.
Morgan, get me up to speed. You know the deal. What do they want?
Who's this?
Your boss.
My boss. My boss. Oh, Santa. Huh. How are you, mate? God, seems like it's been a year.
Yeah, it's been exactly 1 year.
I know, funny. It never gets settled, does it? So, what's up? What can I do for you?
I am looking at this list and I am lost. What is an AI robot?
Ooh, sounds like it's gonna take both our jobs.
There's 8 billion people on this earth. What do you say we consolidate? Isn't there anything that everybody loves?
You know, Santa, I have been thinking about that personally, and I believe I've come up with the solution. And that solution is pickleball. Yep, pickleball. No, everybody loves it. Yep, let's do it. Go for pickleball. All right, mate, same time next year. Take it easy.
Honey, what do you think about pickleball?
We think I am a 4-5 and a Carol Footfalls.
You too?
In a surprising turn of events this season, it looks like Santa Claus has brought the gift of pickleball to the world, bringing nothing but pickleballs, pickleball paddles, and bags this holiday season.
Did you do this?
Maybe. Merry Christmas.